Hi everyone, I am Rabia. I am the student of basic level at Paragon Academy, Badin. Today, my presentation topic is the uses and abuses of the cell phone. Firstly, the cell phone has so many advantages. We can use it for the communication purpose. We can communicate with our parents, teachers, and friends. We can make calls and send text messages. We can use it for the academic purpose. When we feel bored, we use it for the videos, and we feel enjoy by listening the music. But there are some abuses of the cell phone: continuous use of phone, weakness for eyesight. Criminal use it for the crime. This is the waste of both time and money. Now, cybercrime and cyberbullying are also common for abuses of the cell phone. Students get disturbed when they was studying, and some calls disturb their study.